Fencing Sydney. Quality pool, garden and front fences. Buy direct. 26 colours, 50 plus designs, DIY or installed. Step 1. Install your post. Dig in or screw down with flange. Step 2. Screw in 4 brackets inside the post, 2 each side. Step 3. Insert the panel into brackets and secure with screws. Use the panel to measure and install the next post. Worrying about designs? We have 50 plus modern designs to match every home. Color options. Choose from 26 premium Colorbond colors. Order your materials at www.poolfencepress.com.au or www.fencing.au. Free site inspections. Prefer a personalized quote for supply only or supply and install. Visit www.fencing.sydney. Call 0421233434. Email fencingsydney@gmail.com.